There are some requirements that you need to be aware of. You do need to attend all the Bryant Field sessions. There is one makeup visit during Dead Week that you could use, but it's just better if you can be at all of them. So if you have to be gone, you will make 3 advanced notifications, so that means prior to missing the class, but you're going to email me, you're going to call the school, and you're going to talk or text or work with your planning partner to make sure that they're aware that you're going to be gone. And just like any teacher that's going to be gone, you're going to prepare materials ahead of time, much like you would for a substitute, and your planning partner will be your substitute teacher. So these things have to take place. If you just don't show up for a session as opposed to making these contacts, you'll fail the field experience. So this is a big deal. Be sure that you make these 3 contacts if you have to be gone. Actively and enthusiastically participate in all field-related assignments. A lot of times there are pre-service teachers who love working with students, love doing the teaching part, but when it comes time to reflect, maybe their attitudes will droop a little bit. You need to show motivation for teaching in all aspects of our field experience. So be positive, work hard, do your best regardless of what you're asked to do, and it's going to carry you a long way. And the last one is abide by and model the Bryant rules. You can use these with students. They have 3 big rules at Bryant's: be safe, be respectful, be responsible. And those will relate to about any situation. A student is taking manipulatives and putting them in their mouth. You can say, are you being safe? Because that could cause choking. Or are you being respectful? Because other people probably don't want your germs. If the student is talking when you're trying to talk, are you being respectful? So again, using questions, you can really make good use of these Bryant rules. A little more specificity in terms of professionalism, and these come right out of UNK's guidelines. Be sure, again, to be confidential. Don't be sharing what's going on in your discussions with the students or with the teachers or things that you see in the schools unless it's the appropriate place. And that would be in class and for the appropriate purpose, not just to share a story, but if you've got a real reason to share that information. Use discretion in making comments about others. Don't criticize others, whether it's your teaching partner or a teacher in the classroom or a situation that happens in the hallway. You don't know all the details and you don't know the history behind it. So be sure that you're not making judgments or criticizing others. Hold yourself accountable. You're really the only person that you can control. So be sure that you conduct yourself in a way that's professional. And then just follow the dress code for the building. Again, you can wear those jeans on Fridays if you bring your dollar. But on the next slide, we're going to talk more specifically about what can you wear and what should you not wear.